Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is the remote student tutorial for science. So how to access all of your science course materials, grades, etc. If you are a remote student. If you have any questions at any time, feel free to email me at sross@christacademywf.org. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to our school's Schoology page, so christacademy.schoology.com, and you'll want to sign in using your Microsoft Office sign in and password. And if you need help remembering that, please let me know. This is my Schoology account, so there's a whole lot of different courses here that you may not have since I have all of the courses. But at this page, what you're going to do is you're going to click on a course. And this is how you know what to do. So remote students, one of the questions I get is how am I supposed to know what's for homework or what's done in class or what I'm supposed to do? And the answer to that question is the calendar. Let me show you where the calendar is. So once you click on a class, you'll see that the calendar is over here. It says upcoming and there's a little calendar, and you click on that calendar and you'll be able to see the lesson plans and the homework for the week. Let me show you what that looks like. So homework, you'll see there's homework for Science 6 on every day of this week. And then the lesson plan is actually what we do in class. So I wanted you guys to have an idea of what we are doing in class. And then basically homework is whatever assignment is not completed in class. So let me show you what happens when I click on homework and when I click on lesson plan. So if you're in the calendar and you click on homework for science on any given day, you're going to see something that looks like this. So this is for Tuesday, August 25th, and you'll see that I have notes are due Friday, and the periodic table station lab is also due on Friday. These items are homework unless they're completed in class, and it does give you the due date for both assignments. If I'm in calendar and I click on lesson plans for science, this is what we actually did on Tuesday the 25th. We have our bell work, and then we're going to start our periodic table station lab. If we have any time, students will be able to work on their notes and put their vocabulary in their composition notebook. And if a student completes all of this, I have early finisher activities that relate to whatever subject or content that we're doing at the time. So how do we access the live recordings of the classes? So there's a live lesson folder in each of the classes. And at the end of the day, we upload the video of the class. It shows you basically everything we did in the class, and if we did a lab or if we had a quiz, you can see everything. You can fast forward through what you don't need to see, or you can do it at double speed, whatever is convenient for you. This video is what we actually did in class. Accessing the course material. So that's all good and well. I know that I need to do a lab or I need to do notes, but where do I find that stuff as a student? So here, I've just opened the Science 6 course, and you'll see there's a syllabus at the top. There's the live lessons folder I was just talking about, and then you're going to click on this module. So you'll click on whatever module we're in. And spoiler alert, it's going to be the only module that you can click on. So we'll click on Module J, Chemistry, which is the module we're doing right now. When we click on that module, you're going to click on the unit that we're in. So we're in Unit 1 right now. You'll see there are a couple of grayed out units right here. Those have not been published to students yet, so you won't be able to see those. So the only unit you'll be able to click on is the one that's available. And then these are the lessons in the unit. So we've just completed Lesson 1, Properties of Matter, and we're about to start Lesson 2, Atoms and Elements. So these two lessons are available. We haven't even started to talk about Lesson 3, so that's going to be unavailable. It's not published right now. And then, of course, the test is not published as well. So I know that I'm going to Lesson 2 because that's the next lesson in the course. And if you see in the calendar, you'll see that we're working on Lesson 2 notes this week. So you'll click on the lesson that we're working on. And then depending on the lesson, you might see a bell work folder. This particular lesson did not have a bell work folder. You'll see that you can access your notes in your student book in one of the folders. All of the labs and activities are going to be in another folder, and then the quiz will be there. You won't be able to see the quiz until the day of the quiz. It won't be published so that you can see it, but that's what you should see, and these activities should line up with what you see in the calendar. So to see the grades, you're going to click on the Grades tab over here, and this is more like what a student would this is my son's account. So this is more like what a student would have, the materials and the grades, etc. So these are the grades that he has so far. He's got something that hasn't been graded or hasn't been turned in yet. And then you'll see the quizzes, etc. And if you have any questions whatsoever, please email me at the following email. So I hope that this has been helpful, and have a great day.